Hello, Miss Salon family, una pisha una cabo. Today na the 23rd of November. At the right now, Ruta, Moriba Town, they at the play tonight. Now old school nightclub. But now one thing where I want to say. They say you no go know the value of a tree until when they cut them down. Sure. The same thing, you no go know the importance of tar road. Pass a challenge route road from Jagbang to Moriba Town. A very tedious, very damaged. Masuka and the Fordon day, we serve miss for Fordon 210. We take 6 hours from Jagbang to Moriba Town. I want to ask a question, family and Duya, not to by force. The government, the company, and the chiefdom people, now who that responsible? Now this I really want to know. Because from when me born, I see this road, take today, every dry season, passing grade, then go grade say, what if water bus? So pass we get for the take canoe, for cross, for Kanamokanji, to your papa government. I want to know. I would ask you kindly for make you do something for that road. People they suffer, we they suffer. And that no more as a maker ask and no. The company, the government, the chiefdom people, now who that we for blame.